Hi friends, my name is Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and on my channel I do a lot of crafts, a lot of cooking, a lot of party ideas. I've done a lot of parties, made the decorations myself and everything, so there's a ton of playlists, ton of videos you can check out. My newest thing is getting into canning. I'm so tired of wasting food and throwing food out. So yeah, you could check out my playlist, or you can join me now on my canning journey where I will be preserving food, stuff that I buy that I don't get to eat in like a week, and I'm like, oh my God, it's going to go bad. I'm so tired of throwing out fresh vegetables that I buy. And let's get into the video. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Arlene, and if you saw my previous video, I'll link it somewhere in the description. You saw that I made homemade pineapple from zucchini. 2 jars I put jalapeno in because I want to use this to make a spicy pineapple salsa. So I wanted to see if the jalapeno actually got infused into the zucchini chunks that are now pineapple. So I'll just be opening up one of those and then bringing it upstairs and putting it in my refrigerator upstairs in my kitchen. And my carrots came out absolutely beautiful. Every single jar, so I did 10 jars yesterday. Every single jar sealed beautifully. So I just washed them, dried them. I still have to dry these, and I'm going to label them and put them in the pantry. But what we are going to do is open this up, and I'm going to taste, and let's see how they came out. Okay, so let's see if I can get this jar open, because I forgot to bring my can opener down here. Man, that's on tight. I saw a little air going through. There we go. That's what you want to hear, that, because you know it's sealed very well. All right, first let's taste the piece of pineapple, and then I want to actually sip some of the juice. Look at that, you guys. Looks like pineapple. Oh my word. Are you freaking kidding me? I swear to you, this is no joke. It has the same exact texture as pineapple. It's like you just opened up a can of Dole pineapple chunks. Oh my God. And this jalapeno was really crappy because I bit right into the jalapeno before I cut it, and it wasn't even hot. That's why I left the seeds and the ribs in there. Let me see if the jalapeno actually tastes like pineapple. No, tastes like jalapeno. But the pineapple really doesn't taste like jalapeno, actually. It's a little... It is a little spicy. Oh my God, it's so delicious. All right, I'm going to drink some of this juice. Oh, yeah. This, you guys, I am going to be making a ton of this. I will give it out as gifts for Christmas with ingredients to make an upside-down pineapple cake. In another jar, all the ingredients that people just have to add their eggs and water, whatever, milk. And they can make their own upside-down pineapple cake. So that would be a beautiful gift for Christmas, or I should make up a whole bunch more and give them out for Mother's Day to all the mothers that I know. But this is absolutely freaking fabulous. I am in shock. Holy moly. I will never, seriously, never ever buy canned pineapple again. It's like you're eating pineapple. I just can't even get over it. And this is shelf stable. So I could just put it on the shelf in my pantry that I'm making in my back room over here. You can't see it from this angle, but there's actually a whole back room back there that has all my Christmas decorations, Halloween, like all my holiday stuff, which I'm getting rid of a lot because I haven't used it in a long time. I only use certain things, so I'm clearing out that whole back room. And there's already built-in shelves all the way around the room. I'll show you once I get it straightened up a little bit, because it is a mess back there. But yeah, so that's going to be, well, half of it's going to be my pantry for my canned goods. But you guys check out the video that I'm going to link on how to make this fabulous, fabulous zucchini pineapple. I'm really in shock right now. Oh my God. And throw some really good jalapenos, hot ones in there. And you got yourself some spicy pineapple that you can then use in a pineapple salsa, and it'll already be spicy. Absolutely fabulous. Love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so I'm going to get these all labeled up. Very successful canning day yesterday. Can only do 5 in my Nesto at a time, either 4 quarts or 5 pints. So I will be doing more carrots. I want to have a ton of carrots on my pantry shelf that when I just have to make a meal, I can come down, I can get the potatoes I canned. I'm going to be canning some ham. I could grab a can of ham, a can of potatoes, a can of carrots, open everything up, put it on a plate, heat it up for my husband, and voila, you have an instant meal in not even 4 minutes. The time it'll take to heat it up. So yeah, so I'll show you some of my pantry when I get these put away. And yeah, go get yourself some green zucchini or yellow squash. Cut it up. And it's just 3 ingredients: sugar, pineapple juice, and lemon juice. You don't even taste the lemon juice at all. You just have to add that to bring the acidity up so that you can water bath it. But it's absolutely delicious. I'm so, so pleased with this. Oh my God, I can't even. Okay, guys, so this is what I have canned up so far. And I did give my mother a couple things. So I have potatoes. I have my shepherd's pie mixture, some chili. These are just herbs that I dried in my dehydrator. So I have cilantro and parsley. This is my peach jam. It's actually peach and nectarine. I just wrote peach, but I know what it is. My onion jam came out absolutely delicious. And the carrots and the zucchini pineapple. So that's basically all I have so far. Like I said, I just started. So I want to eventually, all right, are you ready for the transparency for this horrific room down here? There you go. So I already have the shelves. It's 2 layers of shelves all the way built. Actually, over here, there's 3 layers under here. But this is all my Christmas stuff. A lot of these bins are empty because I already took stuff to the thrift store. So, yeah, so I gotta put all the empty ones. This big, huge bin here is just all Thanksgiving and fall decorations. These are all baskets I have. When I was making soaps, these are all my soap molds. I think I'm just gonna donate all them, even though some of them were like really expensive, like this one. Like, I don't know if I should put them on Facebook Marketplace and try to get rid of them, but it's a ton of just molds for regular cold process and for melt and pour. I just got so much crap down here. My cotton candy machine. I don't know if I'm going to keep that. I haven't used it in years. There's the bowl for it right there, because I used to be a clown. So that was a big hit. What is in this bin? I don't even know what's in here. Oh, that's the big table skirt fancy one for parties. This is probably all Christmas crap up here. Oops. Yeah, it's just all stuff that I have to go through. I just got rid of a ton of Halloween, but this Halloween stuff I'm keeping. I actually made this book. I absolutely love it. So it was just a book that I wasn't reading, and I said, oh, I'm going to make it into a Halloween book. So certain stuff I am keeping, but the amount of Halloween I had would have really scared you. So I'm actually only keeping this one bin. And then this I painted years and years and years ago. I got to retouch them up, but that's one of my favorite Halloween pieces. Oh, this is more Halloween here that I decided to keep, like tablecloths and crap like that. But yeah, so I already have the shelves built in for the canning. I just have to get rid of most of this stuff. I think this one side will just be all of my decorations and whatever I want to keep. And I do have like a lot of linens. Like this whole thing is filled with linens. That whole trunk is filled with linens. I have, I think, 100 black, what do you call it? Chair covers, and a ton of the tablecloths, the round ones, the square ones for the banquet tables. So I don't know what I'm doing with all that, but I just need to get rid of this stuff. Oh shit, I forgot. Oh, sorry about the language. I forgot about this. These, there must be, no joke, at least 100 of them are all the Lab from the Franklin Mint or the Danbury Mint. Look at all those plates. There's so many of them. And the box goes all the way back to there. So they're all different. He looks exactly... I bought this one because he looked like my Maxwell. I had 4 Labs at one time. So that's why my license plate reads Love for Labs. But yeah, so I got all these plates. I don't know what I'm doing with them, but they've been down here forever. These boxes here are actually brand new stools. Really nice ones, you know, that you would put around an island. They're really, really nice. They're brand new, still in the box. I gotta get rid of those. So yeah, my nephew's coming over tomorrow, and we are going to go through all this, throw out what I'm going to throw out, donate what I'm going to donate, start moving stuff around that I'm going to keep on this side, so then this whole entire side I can have for my canning. So that's the plan, and I'm sticking to it, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day. I have a lot of work ahead of me. And I'm actually running out to the store to get more zucchini, because this zucchini pineapple is freaking delicious. And I know everybody's going to want a jar, so I better get to shopping and better get to canning. All right, guys. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. All right, guys, have a great day. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Bye.